Welcome back. I've found myself returning more items to Amazon lately. I understand they are just a marketplace, but it's beginning to feel like Temu, especially when it comes to tactical type items. Here's a quick look at two similar pouches purchased through Amazon. One from Say Waneva and one from One Tigris. These are not exactly the same style of pouch, but this is more about materials, construction, and value. I'm not thrilled with the MOLLE attachment mode on the Say Waneva pouch. In fact, I think this is the only pouch I own with this setup. The Say Waneva is listed as an EDC pouch. It measures 6.69 by 1.97 by 4.92 inches. The One Tigris is considered an admin pouch, coming in at 7.5 by 5 by 2 inches, and has heavy-duty, traditional snap-button MOLLE attachments. It can, of course, be used for pretty much anything. I've been happy with One Tigris items in the past. We see some real differences when it comes to zippers. The Say Waneva uses a plastic zipper with decent pulls and seems to zip pretty well. The One Tigris features double YKK brand zippers, and I really like the heat shrink pulls. I lean towards metal for durability. The exterior of the two bags is very similar. The Say Waneva is constructed of 600D Oxford fabric and is water resistant with PVC waterproof coating and offers IP3 water resistance. It is also stain resistant, wear resistant, and tear resistant to effectively withstand outdoor splashes. I guess that means water. The PVC waterproof coating adds a layer of protection but is not sealed or waterproof. And I actually think it means the inside layer of fabric has the coating. Rather confusing. The One Tigris exterior is made of 500D Cordura nylon, making it a higher grade of fabric than the Say Waneva 600D polyester. The 500D Cordura, which is usually pigment printed, resists fading in the sun, better than standard transfer printed 600D polyester. The inside of the pouch has a water-resistant coating with double stitching. With this being an admin pouch, the interior has more features than the Say Waneva, of course. Depending on the application, I think the One Tigris gets the nod on fabric and construction. Okay, so bottom line. One Tigris wins out on materials, construction, and features, but the Say Whatever pouch goes for $5 on Amazon. The exact pouch sells for almost $10 on Temu. The Tiger came in at $18. Also a pretty good deal. Just a quick note on camouflage. There are some differences in the color scheme of the two pouches. Both are supposed to be multicam, but the Say Waneva is definitely a bit lighter. In the photo, the background is a pair of Arcleaf men's alpha pants, Gen 2 multicam. The pouch on the left is by London Bridge Trading using Cry fabric. The middle is the One Tigris, and the right is the Say Waneva. So a bit of a difference. Please like and subscribe and all that. Until next time, take care.